Okay, I'm going to show you very quickly how to get to the remote cluster to log on. Right, I could tell you a long URL, but I'm going to do a Google search so you can try it yourself. So the cluster access leads uni. Okay, cluster is the keyword here, and the top link and the second one both work. Clusters University of Leeds IT. Actually, the second one is the best one. Cluster Remote Access University of Leeds IT. And it tells you a lot of stuff on the clusters. What we want to go to are the two civil engineering entries in this table. Civil Engineering 501, that's the design studio in Scape. Or Civil Engineering 504 is what we want, and we should go to the dashboard. So we go to the dashboard and we will see a list of the computers available in that room. Quite a long list. Okay. And to connect to these, we just click the connect button. Now what it tells you is to download a file. It's a tiny little file that will start up the remote desktop. So I'm going to go and click that download. And we see it's going to save this file civil PC 6154 RDP. So I'm going to click open, and it comes up with my remote desktop connection. That RDP file defaults to remote desktop connection, and there's always a bit of security checking you really want to do this. And I'm going to say connect. I put in my university credentials. And here I am, connected to this remote computer. Takes a few moments to start up on the first occasion. While it's starting up, I'll just show you that this is minimize that. This is a window within your computer, so you can flick to do your other things. And while it is starting up, you might think, what would you do on a Mac with that RDP file? So on a Mac, you need to use this Microsoft Remote Desktop. This is a Mac app that you can get free from the App Store. So in the Mac, you would download this RDP file and you'd load it into Remote Desktop. It actually works very well. In some ways, a bit smoother than it does on a PC. Let me go back to see how the desktop has come up, and it has all started nicely. Here's my remote desktop. I can go on here and type flood, and there is Flood Modeler app, and I can start that and run it and go through all the practicals. Okay, any questions? Have a look at the remote cluster connection page or email me.